Hello students, in this video you are studying about 12th standard computer science chapter 7 topic mathematical functions. Okay. Import math module for all mathematical functions. Math module using for all mathematical functions. This is notes. Math module for using all mathematical functions. There are three mathematical functions available in your textbook. First one floor, second one seal, third one square root. First floor function. Okay, this is one of the mathematical function. What is the use of floor function? It returns the largest integer less than or equal to x. It returns the largest integer value, but it is equal to x or less than x. Okay. It is equal to x or less than x. This is the use of floor function. Syntax math.floor of x. Okay, math.floor of x. For example, x equal to 26.7. Y equal to minus 26.7. Z equal to minus 23.2. Print math.floor of x. Print math.floor of y. Print math.floor of x. What is the output? Here, first output is 26. Your rule is, definition is, it returns the largest integer less than or equal to x. Okay. Here, this is 26.7. What is the output? Normally, what is the output will be displayed? 27. You write 27. Okay. But the rules is less than or equal to x. But not a greater than value. It does not display greater than value. So less than value is 26 only. X is equal to or less than value. So your output is 26. Okay. Did you understand, student? X. Next value. Print math.floor of y. Y equal to minus 26.7. Normally you are writing minus 27. But minus 27 is correct answer. Normally you write 26. Your right answer is minus 27. Minus 27 is less than of y. Okay. This is greater than value. Minus 26 is greater than, but minus value minus 27 is less than value. So minus 27 is your output value. Next, print math.floor of z. What is the output? Z is equal to minus 23.2. So it returns, what is the output? Minus 24. Okay, so this is floor of function. Next, seal of function. Same as floor of function, but small difference. It returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to x. It returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to x. But floor function, it returns the less than or equal to x. But seal function greater than or equal to x. Math.seal of x. X equal to 26.7. Y equal to minus 26.7. Z equal to minus 23.2. Print math.seal of x, print math.seal of y, print math.seal of z. What is the output? 27 minus 26 minus 23. Here, greater than value. Your definition is greater than or equal to x. So, it display 27. Okay. Here, 26 minus 26 is your output. Next, minus 23. Okay. So, this is the difference between floor and seal of function. Third mathematical function is SQRT of. SQRT means square root function. It returns the square root of x. Note, it returns the square root value of x. Note, x must be greater than 0. X must be greater than 0 value. Syntax SQRT of x. A equal to 30. B equal to 49. C equal to 25.5. Next, print math.square root of a. Print math.square root of b. Print math.square root of c. Okay, output. 5.30 means, what is the output? Square root value is 5.477. This is the output of 30. Okay, next b. 49 means 7. So, 7 displayed. Next, c. 25.5. 5 means 5. 25 means 5. Next 5, 0, 4, 9, 7, 5. This is the output. So this is the mathematical function. Study very well. Next topic, composition in functions. What is composition in function? The value written by a function may be used as an argument for another function. A function written a value, that value can be used an argument of another function. Okay. This is a nested manner. So this is called composition. What is composition? A value written by a function. A function written a value. This value is used an argument for another function. Okay. A function written a value. This value used of another function argument. So this is called composition. For example, if we wish to take a numeric value or an expression as a input from the user, we take the input string from the user using a function input of and apply eval of function to evaluate this value of our example. Here, this is the example. N equal to eval input, enter a number. So this is the function name. So enter a number 34, 234. Next return n1 value 234. Next n2 equal to eval input of enter an arithmetic expression. Enter an arithmetic expression 1 2.0 plus 13.0 into 2. So output is 38. Here this function, here this is the same function. So this is the composition in functions.